Next, we have major logistics functions, and we talk here about transportation. You guys know the types of transportation? Truck, rail, water, pipelines, air, internet. You guys are okay with these? These affect the pricing of the product, the delivery, the performance, the condition of the good when they arrive. You guys know, let's say if you want to buy something and you will get it delivered by the internet. You can download. Maybe you buy a CD or a DVD maybe it's faster, right? You get it immediately now, downloaded. Quality-wise, it's the same. Sometimes you want to get water. What is good about water? If it's very heavy and it's physical, maybe water is better. It will take a long time, but it will be cheaper. Rail, maybe depending on, if you're close to a rail or not and where it's coming from, and maybe you have only limited number of destinations that the rail covers. Truck, you guys know trucks. Maybe trucks good for neighboring countries or neighboring locations, and maybe inside city delivery. Pipelines for oil, they're very good, efficient, as long as the pipelines are safe. Air, it's fast, it covers maybe more locations, country to country. So every one of these have its benefits and costs. Logistics information management is the management of the flow of information. So do you care about what information is available and where? We have this EDI and VMI, vendor managed inventory. The idea is how we can make sure that we've got the information. For example, if I sell, the more I sell, I need to inform my supplier to give me more of this, right? If I sell a lot of vegetarian pizza, I need to tell my vegetarian supplier to provide me tomorrow with maybe more, right? If I'm selling a lot of meat, I need to get meat. A lot of chicken, I need to get chicken. I need pineapples, I need to get pineapples. So the idea is you always need to have this logistics information. So an EDI is an example, and VMI how this information is managed. Integrated logistics management is the recognition that providing customer service and trimming distribution costs will require teamwork internally and externally. Can you now today, did I tell you about the blue bicycle? Did I tell you about the blue bicycle? You go to Huda and you supermarket and you order a bicycle. You buy two blue bicycles. And then on the Huda computer system, as soon as you pick it, it will record. You pay for it, it will charge, and then they will immediately inform their supplier. Make an order. We already sold two, we need replacement. The office in Aden will know. Aden will take the orders, and then tell Dubai office, tell Hong Kong office. So you buy it here, the Hong Kong office already know you bought it, and the replacement is on its way. You see? Not just for the bicycle itself, but also the vendors and suppliers of the bicycle. You see? So this becomes very integrated information system. Third-party logistics is the outsourcing of the logistics functions to a third-party logistics provider, and we call this the 3PLS. So, third-party logistics services.
This is the more common.
Yeah, this is very common. Many companies will just use a third-party logistics. Sometimes, let's say,
shipment companies.
Let's say if I am, Pepsi, I have my own Pepsi trucks to do logistics here. Okay, maybe I am a oil company. I'm Schlumberger, and I have my own flights for my locations. You see, but that's not very common. Some companies they will just use a third-party logistics. All right, that's the end of this chapter.